welcome back. Headed up now to the house, Cloquet. We've got a snowstorm coming tonight, possibly, I don't know, 3 to 6 or 8 inches. But right now it's snowing pretty hard up there, Melissa said, because they're getting lake effect snow off of Lake Superior. And it's already snowed 2 to 3 inches. And I watched the weather this morning, their newscast online, and they weren't supposed to get, they were just supposed to get like an inch this morning and then maybe a couple inches of lake effect tonight before the bigger storm comes in, which keeps kind of creeping to the east, so it's really unsure how much snow we're going to get. But today I'm going to run up there, the storm will come in tonight, and let's get those chains put on the tractor and see how that works out. Alright, I'm going to unload a few things out of the truck here, grab Melissa, we're going to run in and have lunch in town, and then I'll come back and maybe we'll work on those chains. So far today didn't quite turn out the way I thought. We went out to eat, then we had to run into Melissa's work in Superior, Wisconsin, left there and went to FedEx, and then had to go back to her work. So anyway, I'm just getting back here now. It'll be dark here within an hour. I'll start the tractor and let it warm up a little bit, and then I'll try to put those chains on. Well, I got the chains on, but I'll tell you, there's an art to that I have not mastered yet. I was thinking this is going to be simple, just throw the chains on, but it really sucks. And this tire over here is new, the other one is older, so the nubs on the tire are a little bit more rounded, and with the newer one you can pull that chain up and it'll kind of hook on the nubs of the tire. On the other one it'll slide off, so that's a whole nother bunch of problems. But I know they have to be tightened. I've got them on now. I'll have to drive it for a while and I'll just have to learn. Now, you know, I kind of know why. Sometimes they just left them on all year round. They probably didn't want to take them off and have to put them back on again. I found if I back the tractor up on the chain, it would keep the one part like tight, and then it would loosen up on the back side. So then if I could get it to that point where I could tighten it, and I got to tighten it up a few links. I still think there'll probably be more links I can get tightened up after it's used for a little bit, but right now, I guess the trick is just to keep it tight around that outside edge so it can't fall off and let the chains do the work. All the snow has already started to fall. This is lake effect here. The real storm isn't even up here yet, so overnight tonight. They say it'll start about 4 o'clock in the morning and then all day tomorrow. Should be pretty interesting. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'm going to run in right now. I got to get some gas for that tractor. Just about out. I will see you guys on the next video.